We're reviewing and hanging outdoors an eagle. It's a metal structure, comes in 4 parts, easy to assemble and install. It is very fine metal. Please be careful when handling. You could place it anywhere imaginable. We're going to demonstrate and show you what the eagle is about. Wearing a pair of gloves, the proper tools, leveling is required. It's not that difficult to figure out where you want to put your eagle. That's about 40 inches in wingspan, about 17 inches in height. We're going to unbox, show you what you get, and how to do it. From the company WOCOKA is a 24 by 40 inch 4-piece combined eagle with hardware to hang up. We're going to unbox the eagle, show you how it's presented in the box. The hardware is laid on top, simply cut out, put to the side. With the fabricated tape, simply peel away. Take the first piece to the side. Very colorful. You're going to need an optional level to hang up. Lifting away the styrofoam to the next piece. Repeat the same process till all 4 pieces are out. Please be careful of the pointed and sharp edging. The metal pieces can be hung on a wall indoors as well as outdoors. Simply just line up each of the pieces to see what they look like. Start with the eagle, match up all the edgings. And that is the eagle laid out in full. From the top, leading edges measure 38 plus inches. From the widest points, edge to edge measures 39 inches. From head to tail, measures 18 inches. Optional drill and screwdriver are required to hang up your eagle. They come in 3 sizes, small, medium, and large. Check online for further detail. It is a colorful eagle, as you can see, displays the American heritage. The eagle, red, white, and blue with the claws sticking out. Beautiful color. If you're looking to hang your eagle indoors, outdoors, weatherproof, weather resistant, made of metal, coated for protection. Enjoy your bald eagle. Thank you for viewing.